Ever had students message you saying they were not sure which checkout link to use? When each course has a different payment page, it is easy to lose sales to confusion. Here's a simple manual way to keep multiple course checkouts clear for your students. Create a checkout instructions guide in Google Docs with labeled links and a single support contact. It's quick and keeps things organized, but managing multiple links can still look inconsistent, and that confusion can cost you sales. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their hosted checkout feature lets you centralize all your course payments under one branded, secure system. So students see one clear, trustworthy page every time they pay. You also get transaction routing, which automatically balances payments across accounts, protecting your revenue during busy launches. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. With hosted checkout and routing tools built in, your payment process stays simple for students and stable for you. If you want to simplify checkout while keeping every course payment secure, EasyPay Direct makes it easy to get started. Just use the link in the description to learn more.